channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about my Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about makeup I've got in the month of April and also hair care. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start off with hair care. I will run pretty fast through it because I'm going to talk about my hair care in my future videos. I want to make a dedicated video for that. So I'm not going to talk a lot about these products right now. And so I just briefly mentioned that I am on a hair growth journey. I mean that I experience a hair loss just a little bit. So I want to help my hair grow thicker, fuller, as full as it can be. And so for that purpose, I've got two products. They are from the brand LiQWYD. So these are two serums. One is green color, one is yellow. And so you can see that I have already used them. I think I've been using them maybe for 2 months or 1.5 months. And these two products are new to me and I just want to see if they work. Previously, I've been using hair growth serums from another brand and I know for sure that they did work, but this time I decided to test new products and so I've got these two, but you are supposed to use them for a long time, so I plan on reordering these serums and so we'll see if they work or not and I will report that in my future videos. Next products are from the same brand. This one is DSD Deluxe. So I have been using this brand in the past and I really like them. I think they do help with hair growth and with maintaining healthy hair. So I lighten my hair every month. So my goal with my hair is I want them to be as healthy as possible and to stop hair loss. So this time I've decided that I need a moisturizing shampoo instead of shampoo with proteins. So I think that bleached and color treated hair needs moisture more than nourishment. And so I've decided to try DSD Deluxe Restructuring Treatment Botox-like Hair Therapy Deluxe Shampoo. So I'm using this right now and it seems to work gently with my hair, so I do not want to pull my hair while I'm washing it and I don't want to break my hair while I'm washing. So I think that this shampoo helps with that by moisturizing the hair and not stripping from moisture. And you can feel that after washing with moisturizing shampoos that you can put your fingers into your hair and you do not feel like you pull your hair too much. So this one was shampoo. Another two products are Restructuring and Hair Loss Treatment 4.4. This one is Keratin Treatment Mask. I've been using it in the past and I really love that. I use this one in rotation with my mask I will be talking next. And also from the same line, Keratin Treatment Serum. This one I use after I wash my hair before blow drying. So this one is mainly for the length of the hair and this one I apply on the length of the hair and also a little bit on the scalp. And the mask I'm using in rotation with the Keratin Treatment Mask is from Grow Gorgeous Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. So I use this mask 2 or 3 times and I feel like this mask does thicken the hair, and so I think that instead of 2 uses a week, it's better for me to use it once a week. I love the smell of this mask because to me this is a kind of a old school smell. I think I do not know what this mask smell reminds me of, but I love it. So these were my hair care products, and next is makeup. So I'm going to start off with the product I haven't used today in this makeup, and this is from LiQWYD Tête à Tête Pro Lashes. So I really wanted to try those lashes that get longer in the corners. I think that this shape of the eyelash will suit me better, so we'll see it in next videos. So most of the products I will show are from Hourglass and some others are from other brands. So for the face products, since I've started using retinol on my face started peeling a little bit, and so I wanted to have some products that will not accentuate the flakiness of the skin, and also I wanted to have in my collection BB cream. So I've run out of almost all of my BB creams, and so I've been wanting to try Dr. Oracle BB creams, and so I've got Dr. Oracle EPL Premium Midi BB cream. So this one is medical grade BB cream. As far as I'm concerned, this brand has skincare with medical grade ingredients, and I love this product. This is such a nice BB cream, and I would say that this is much better than Herborian and some other brands. So the reason I love this BB cream already, although I used it only 3 times, is that it does give such a nice, pretty medium coverage. Although it says BB cream, it does give coverage comparable to foundation. So if you want to use face cream with a tint that would cover some discoloration, maybe mild discoloration, pimples, this is pretty good, and I would use it instead of foundations, especially if you had done some procedures and you want to look nice with more even skin tone, but you want to have some skincare ingredients in your foundation. BB cream, this is the one. I immediately fell in love with this product. The only downside to this product is that it comes only in 1 shade and it will suit medium skin tones. Although I am pale right now, I do make it work with concealer. And this is the BB cream I use daily for quick makeup and sometimes even for the evening. Another face product is Ambient Soft Glow Foundation from Hourglass. I use in the shade 3. Although it says it has neutral undertones, it clearly leans toward warm undertone. And this is the foundation I have on right now. So I tried this foundation when I had a little bit of peeling on my skin, and this foundation wasn't forgiving for these flakes, so I saw dry skin through this foundation a little bit. But overall, this is a beautiful, truly soft glow finish. Right now I have more smooth skin without flakiness, and I love it. I love the appearance of my skin with this one, but since I've just started using it, I need more time with it, but so far I love it. Next is brush from Hourglass for foundation I have mentioned, and I really love this brush. This brush is pretty small, which I love. I have small features on my face, I have small face in general, and these brushes are it for me. I prefer using small brushes for my face because you can get into these little crevices of the face, little parts, especially between my eyebrows right here. So I love this brush and I've been using it a lot. Next 2 products are also from Hourglass. These ones are waterproof eye gel liners, one in the shade Forest and another one in the shade Chestnut. So these 2 liners I love because of the creaminess they glide so smoothly. I have sensitive, watery eyes and I need liners that will stay put. And so they dry pretty fast, so if you want to smudge them, you have to work pretty quickly. But when they dry, they are dry. So I really love the color because I used to have burgundy color from Marc Jacobs, but they discontinued them, and so I needed a eyeliner with a burgundy color, and also I had eyeliner with green color, and so that's why I've purchased these ones, and so far I like them. Next product is from Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in the shade Hazelnut. So I don't hear much about this product, but those people who mention it, all of them say that this is an underrated lip liners, and I totally agree with them. This is such a beautiful, smooth, creamy formula, and the beautiful thing about these liners from Anastasia Beverly Hills is that you can apply it over and over again and they don't get grainy, they don't leave marks if you put one layer over another, and it still looks beautiful. So I really wanted to try another colors, and so I'm waiting for another order with 2 more colors so I can use these liners with different lipsticks and lip glosses. So far I love this color, and this is the color I have on my lips right now. Another product from Hourglass is lip gloss in the shade Solar. This is a beautiful bright orangey color. This color has this interesting pearly effect, and so I already own this lip gloss in the shade Enchant, and I love this color, and also I love the texture of this gloss. It doesn't get into the lines, it spreads very smoothly and beautifully. It gives very pretty shine, and so I wanted to try another color but with pearly finish or with a little bit of sparkles. So let's try this lip gloss right now. I want to put just a little bit over my lipstick. So right now I've put just a little bit, but most of the time I love to put a little bit more. But you can see that it does give beautiful shine. I don't like this lip gloss on its own, but rather like a topper, and it looks beautiful. And last 2 products also from Hourglass are volumizing gloss balms. So I had already this balm in the shade Mist. Now I wanted to have pink colors, or leaning more towards the pink, and some cool toned colors. So I've got Desire and Reveal. So this one is Desire and this one is Reveal. So these are the swatches: Mist, then Desire and Reveal. So you can see that the first one is more orangey, which I prefer with brown colored lip liners and lipsticks. Desire is more like a mauvey cool toned gloss, and Reveal is more of a pink color. I love these balms. I think they are beautiful on its own with lip liner, maybe without lip liners if you prefer this look, but I love my lips with liner because I don't have defined lips, and so I prefer with lip liners and sometimes over lipsticks as well, but most of the time I wear them just with lip liner. So I accidentally forgot to mention 3 mascaras that I've got during the month of April. So here they are. One mascara is from Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. This mascara is my oldest discovery, but at the same time this is my new discovery this year. So I've been looking for mascara that doesn't flake, doesn't smudge, and this is it. And on top of that, this mascara is not waterproof, which means that it is is not as hard to remove as waterproof mascara. So previously I've been using only waterproof mascaras because they were the only ones that didn't smudge and didn't flake. But since my favorite mascara from Urban Decay, Cannonball, was discontinued, I didn't have any other mascaras that I would like, and so until now I've been on a mission to find new favorite mascara, and this is it as of right now. I'm not a fan of these plastic applicators, but I have to get used to it because I really love the formula. Another one which I've used already and I have on right now is YSL Lash Clash mascara. So I prefer these kinds of brushes for my lashes, but compared to my eye, this brush is very big, and I love that this mascara doesn't flake or smudge too much. I mean, even if it does just a little bit, so it's not annoying for me. But there are two downsides in this mascara. The brush is pretty big, and another one is that the formula of this mascara is pretty thick and it all sits right here. And if I use it 5-6 times, it gets a lot of hair and I need to remove it with tissue. And the formula is thick, and sometimes these globs of mascara stays on the wand, and when I apply it, it applies sometimes with these small black particles and I have to remove it. So these are two downsides in this mascara, but overall I'm trying to make it work for me. And the last mascara is from L'Oreal Bambi Oversized Eye. I didn't like this mascara. The consistency of this mascara is so thin that my lashes doesn't hold the curl, they fall down. And since I apply mascara 2 times and I go over with lash curler first time and second time as well, I love this fan effect in my eyelashes. This formula just doesn't work for me, for my lashes and for my liking. I love the appearance of fan effect when my eyelashes are separated, beautiful and evenly coated. So this is a pass for me. I think this is it for my makeup and hair care April haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave in the comments down below what you have got during the month of April. I would love to read that. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Put thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in the comments and in my next video.